What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Get Real Bass Fishing. We have the kayak loaded up already, and as you guys can tell, the sun is coming out. So today it started out raining, a little bit drizzly, so I held off a little bit and I didn't want to go out fishing during that, mainly because where I'm going, it's really good in the sun. See, once that sun comes out, the lilies are just on fire, man. Frog fishing, punching, flipping, whatever it might be, that's when this lake is best. So I held off, that way I didn't disturb the area so that I can get it in the sun. So here we go. Blue skies are over there, the sun's coming out over here. It's getting really steamy. Made it to the lake. We're gonna try frog fishing these lily pads first. And there's gotta be some fish. We saw a ton of lily growth with the drone before. So I'm sure there's something in here. The only problem that I see so far is the dark water. Like, this water is like super dark. So the reason I'm using a 7'3" rod is so that I can keep, there we go. Ah, frick. GoPro gets in the way. It's so that I can keep a fish pinned easier with a longer rod than a shorter rod, especially in these weeds. Frick. Come on. There we go. First fish of the day. Frick. Why? All right, drink some water, Paulie. Calm the heck down. All right, guys, we're not freaking using a mic. Mic decided not to work. Unbelievable. There we go. First fish. Not bad. Solid 2.5 on the brush hog. Nice. There we go. All right, so far we have one fish in the boat, lost 6, hurt my shoulder, which isn't a big deal. I mean, I'm just paddling, but can't let it ruin the day. I encourage you guys, when you are out fishing, don't let everything that goes wrong ruin your time out fishing or cloud your mind, because once you do that, you're not going to be thinking straight. You won't be fishing straight. All right, so we have one in the boat. We have 3 more hours, a broken microphone adapter, so you guys are listening to this through the GoPro mic. I apologize so much. I'm so sorry, but it is what it is. It happens, but we'll make things work. Let's catch some more fish. Bad luck, sort of died down. There we go. Yeah, nice colors too. It's a pickerel. The day ended for me fishing wise. Now I'm just cruising out in the country and trying to find a farm stand to get something to eat, something to drink, something, you know, Long Islandish instead of a big $1 million brand. So trying to help out the community out here. Well, I found a farm, not that difficult around here, but I got pure honey, 20 ounces of pure honey, so that's gonna be good. And then I got a fresh blueberry muffin. Blueberry muffin's like, if you want me to do anything for you, give me a blueberry muffin and I'll do it for you. But besides that, today's fishing excursion was a little difficult. I had like 7 bass on the line and I lost them. I got one and then I caught a pickerel, hurt my arm, dislocated my shoulder, broke my microphone jack for the GoPro. What else went wrong? My bait casters were backlashing every single cast for some reason. I mean, if there's anything that you're gonna learn from this, be happy fishing. You're out fishing. There's people that wish they could be fishing instead of going to work, or they're sick or something like that. So don't let your bad day of fishing get to you and ruin your entire day, because there's guys that wish they can be fishing. But besides that, let's go home. I did something cool. I got something from the lake, the river. I'm going to be starting a pond. I actually have a pond in my backyard, but I'm going to be starting it up. So let me know in the comment section below what fish I should put in it, or other plants, because if you wait like 5 seconds, you'll see what I have for it. All right, so I'm home after a really long drive. An annoying drive because it wasn't like beautiful. I had to go on the highway. This is what I brought home from the lake for the pond. So this is what I got. Got a bunch of little lilies. I'm gonna need you to turn the hose on too. Alright, so there we go. Bunch of lilies. So basically what I'm doing is trying to weed out the lilies from all the bad spoochy stuff that may still be on it. But it looks like I did a pretty good job at the lake with cleaning it off. My dad's probably going to be pissed at me for doing this, but he said he didn't want to have to take care of it anymore. So it's my pond. Well, there you have it. Check this out. We got a ton of little lilies inside the pond. Duckweeds,
And we got lilies up in the filter area too. This is what it looks like now. Hopefully these will grow. Hopefully they'll grow and put some cover inside of this pond. That way we can get more different types of fish in here without having to risk losing them from the birds and raccoons and cats and everything like that. So looks good. Comment below what fish we should comment below what fish we should put inside of this pond. The past couple days I've done a lot of things, between setting up a pond with new plants to going fishing in a kayak, and in a couple days I'm taking a trip for some mountain fishing and hiking, and then I got more trips planned. So the past couple days have just been like doing things. So right now I'm going to be taking my Nature's Hangout hammock, just chilling for a while, set it up in the backyard and relaxing. The trees finally have leaves on it. We got shade, we got birds chirping, but it's finally time to just relax, put on the shades and chill. There we go, guys. The adventure of 2 days. One thing I do advise you guys to do is never go kayaking with ripped jeans, because only your knees get burned. Anyway guys, thank you for watching today's video. Be sure to check out Nature's Hangout on Amazon.com/Nature's Hangout and buy yourself a hammock. Don't forget, hang out in nature.